What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I wanted to start today's video like this because I want to give you guys a little recap about what you're gonna see here. Okay, this is all from our recent trip out to the Tampa Bay area. It was the 4th of July weekend, and you're gonna see several different places. You know, you're gonna see clips and pictures from several different spots, and I want you guys to know what's going on. So when we first got out to the area, we went out to St. Pete, or downtown St. Pete. It's about 35-minute drive from downtown Tampa. So it's close. It's a short drive. So we went out there to check out downtown St. Pete. It's very, very nice area. And we especially wanted to go see the Dali Museum. That's this structure that you're gonna see right here. The Dali Museum, we didn't have enough time to go inside and make a day of that, but you know, we did want to see the structure, and we wanted to see the surrounding area around there, which is very nice, and you'll see that from a few clips and pictures here. From there, we drove out to downtown Tampa and the River Walk. Okay, that's right in downtown Tampa, and we wanted to go have lunch at Ulele. And that's how you pronounce it. You might hear me say other things here on this video. I pronounced it in all kinds of different ways, but it is pronounced Ulele, okay? And it's a very nice restaurant. I highly recommend it. If you're out in the Riverwalk area, check it out. And we discovered a market that's right next to Ulele, and that's this picture right here. So this market turned out to be very cool. It's kind of like the same concept like Time Out. If you've been to Time Out here in Miami, same kind of concept. It's like a food court. There's a lot of different restaurants and different vendors there that you can check out. I wish we would have had more time, so I would have gone back. But it's definitely, if you're there, at least go inside and see it. It's very cool. And you're gonna see a couple of clips and pictures of that. So then we had lunch at Ulele, and we walked on the River Walk afterwards. And you'll see some pictures and clips of that. And as we walked, we saw the University of Tampa. That's this structure right here. The University of Tampa is right on the other side of the River Walk. So when we finished walking there, we drove around and went to see that structure, the building there of University of Tampa. That is very nice, very cool building. It's worth definitely going and checking it out and taking some pictures. So you're gonna see a little bit of all of that. Let's talk about Ulele. Let's check out downtown Tampa, and I'm gonna have at least a couple more videos relating to this whole trip, other restaurants we went to and other spots we went to see. So stay tuned for that. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and let's go. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but Ulele is there at one end. Over here at the other end is Heights Public Market. And they even have this area here to get your suntan on if that's what you want to do. So yeah, guys, this is the area where Ulele is at. It's very, very cool. You guys saw the market. The market was beautiful. Very nice over there.
Morning light is wandering on my face.
Having some calamari over here at Ulele. Oh man, here we go. I told you guys I say it in all kinds of ways. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm having a chicken sandwich and my wife is having a grouper sandwich. And with she's having coleslaw, I'm having French fries. It's pretty good. Let's see. Chicken sandwich. Very good. It's awesome. I think Macando's still a little bit better, but not by much. And the grouper was also very good. But this one, awesome. All right, guys, this is the ice cream encrusted with cereal. Got a piece of bacon up there. All right, we'll see what this is all about. Let's try this ice cream. Very good. If you guys remember the umbrella had something like this. A little bit better, but this is still very good. Awesome. Alright guys, so you pronounce it Ulele. The restaurant, you pronounce the name Ulele. And they have this park outside. It's very cool. Very nice. Overall, it was a great experience. The food was very, very good. The sandwich was awesome. Still, you guys know how I feel about that Macando, sweet and salty. Not like that great, but it was very good. The ice cream at the end was excellent. The beer I had was very good. So overall, a great experience. The place is very pretty. Highly recommend it. Get out here, try it out. Yeah, guys, I cut out all the other creative ways in which I pronounce the name. It is pronounced Ulele. Very good food, very pretty restaurant. If you're ever in the River Walk area of Tampa, check them out. I highly recommend it. So now we're on this river walk here and trying to work off some of these calories from that lunch. You see the market there at the end. Pretty neat. So check it out, guys. University of Tampa. Check out these buildings. That's really cool. So you could see I took some pictures from the river walk. I saw these are across the street. Well, on the other side of the river, I should say. And so we drove around. But check this out, man. Pretty awesome. Look at all these oaks. So guys, check this out. This is pretty cool. This is our room here. And check it out. They have a little seal that means that they sanitize the room. That's a pretty neat idea. I didn't expect that. So basically it's kind of like when you open the door. Oh, I locked I locked myself out. The door is sealed. That's pretty neat idea. Anyway, just a basic room, but at least you know they sanitized it. So that's pretty neat. I didn't expect that. Let's check it out, see if we have a view. I doubt it. There's a park across the street, and they told us that they do fireworks on the 4th of July at the park. So, oh, we could see them right from the room because we have a view of the park. That's the park there. We're right down from Clearwater Beach. I think tomorrow, I think we're gonna go down to the beach. Anyway, we're super tired from walking around on that river walk. We walked a whole bunch, took some pictures you guys will see. Or maybe by now you already saw it on the video, I'm not sure. The University of Tampa was very nice. I like those buildings. So anyway, now we made it back in the room, take a shower, maybe we'll go out for some dessert or something, I don't know, we'll see. And then we'll see what we get into tomorrow.